Welcome to this tutorial on transforming a group into a grid in WordPress. This will only take a few minutes and I'll guide you step by step. To begin, open your browser and head over to the WordPress homepage. In the top right corner, click Login. For this tutorial, we'll use Continue with Google. Just pick your Google account and sign in securely. Once logged in, you'll land on the dashboard. From the Quick Links section, select Edit Site. This will load the site editor where you can work on your layout. In the editor, navigate to the group block you want to modify. Click on it to highlight and activate the group settings. Now, look toward the top toolbar. Click on the first icon in the block toolbar. This opens up layout options for your group. From here, choose the option to transform to grid. WordPress will automatically reorganize your group into a structured grid layout, making your content cleaner and easier to navigate. And that's it. You've just transformed a group into a grid in WordPress, a simple change that instantly improves the look and usability of your site. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new layout.